All right, we're going to do some more order of operations. I got some little more hairier ones here. So as you can see how this one's really starting to grow some hair. Oh man. Get out the little fro chops, dude. This guy's getting fro-y and hairy. Okay. Hairy problem right here. So here are the little rules for this right here for the order of operations. Because now that we have fraction bars, you want to work separately above and below any fraction bar. So really, we're going to treat the numerator as its own problem. We'll treat the denominator as its own problem, and then at the very end we'll go ahead and we'll divide them. So make sure that we work on those separately. If grouping symbols such as parentheses or brackets or absolute values are present, start with the innermost set and then work outwards, and I demonstrated that in example number 5. And then of course you do the regular PEMDAS. Okay, so let's just deal with just the numerator first. Okay, that's what I want to do first right now. So let's deal with what's inside these parentheses. Negative 5 plus square root of 4. What was in that? Negative 5 plus 2. Right? Negative 5 plus 2. And then this right here we have negative 2 squared, which means that right there is just negative 4. Right? Because it's 2 times 2 and then negative. It's not negative 2 squared because the base here is just 2. So negative 5 and 2 gives us our negative 3, and then we times that by negative 4, so we get positive 12. So the only thing that I've done right now is I've just simplified the numerator, and I'm just going to write right here and put 12 now on top. You see, so I just dealt with the numerator. Now let's deal with the denominator, and we could just kind of do that right here. Negative 5 minus 1 is negative 6, and we could just simply divide that right now and get negative 2, and that would be our answer. Let's take a look at B. So let's first deal with this numerator. Okay, let's deal with that guy first. And so we're going to go ahead and do what's inside the parentheses. So 5 minus 3. So let's go ahead and simplify that. Negative 5 minus 9 is a negative 14. And then all over negative 7 minus 6. So notice what I've just done right there. All I did was I just simplified what's inside of the parentheses. Now let's simplify this even further and get 2, right? So 5 minus 3 times 2 minus 6. Okay, so now this just became 2. So now if we do the order of operations, I have to multiply now next. So 5 minus 6 minus 6. According to the order of operations, I go from left to right now. So I first have to do 5 minus 6 and then subtract 6. So 5 minus 6. And I guess in this case it really doesn't matter now. But 5 minus 6 is negative 1 minus 6 is negative 7. But if you would have done negative 6 minus 6 and get negative 12 plus 5, you would have got negative 7. In that case, it doesn't matter. When add and subtract or multiply and divide are all in the same line, and that's all there is, your answer would still be the same, and like it wouldn't change there.